Welcome to a deep dive into the world where size is no measure of threat. Today, we confront the planet's smallest inhabitants that possess the most extraordinary and often lethal defense mechanisms. These aren't just common pests. They are biological nightmares, capable of delivering agonizing pain, deadly venom, or even manipulating the minds of their victims. Get ready to face the tiny terrors responsible for some of nature's worst bites and stings. We begin with the aquatic behemoth known simply as the giant water bug, often called the tobit, growing up to 10 centimeters long. This is the largest true water insect on Earth. While they primarily hunt small fish and tadpoles, their sheer predatory capability is astonishing. They have even been documented paralyzing creatures as large as snakes or turtles. For humans, their bite is notorious, delivering a shocking jolt of pain that earned them their fearsome nickname. In a strange twist, despite their aquatic nature, these insects can fly, and it is the male who carries the clutch of eggs glued firmly to his back. Next, we move to something equally unsettling: the botfly. This insect employs a highly strategic, almost cunning method of parasitic. Rather than confronting a host directly, the botfly captures mosquitoes, gluing its eggs onto the mosquito's abdomen. When the unsuspecting mosquito lands on a warm-blooded animal, like a human, the body heat triggers the eggs to hatch. The tiny larva then burrows into the skin, where it uses the host's body temperature as a living incubator, developing beneath the surface until it is ready to emerge. The hammerhead worm looks deceptively benign, yet it carries a chilling secret. Recognized by its crescent-shaped head, this terrestrial flatworm harbors a potent neurotoxin, tetrodotoxin, the same deadly compound found in pufferfish. While primarily used to subdue earthworms, this toxin is a serious warning to anything that might consider it prey. Perhaps even more disturbing is its incredible power of regeneration. Should the worm be cut into pieces, each segment is capable of growing into a completely new, viable individual. Deep in the rainforests of South America lurks a deceptively beautiful creature, the Lonomia Caterpillar, or the giant silkworm moth larva. Its velvety appearance is an extreme hazard. Covered in sharp, branching hairs, contact releases a powerful anticoagulant venom into the bloodstream. This toxin actively prevents blood clotting, leading to severe hemorrhaging and potentially fatal complications if left untreated. Even after this larva matures into a large, elegant moth, it retains its venomous properties, remaining a threat as it takes to the air. Few creatures inspire such immediate, primal fear as the Australian funnel web spider, widely regarded as the most dangerous spider globally. This aggressive arachnid is often found terrifyingly close to human settlements across Australia. Its venom is incredibly potent, capable of killing an adult human in as little as 15 minutes. When threatened, they display intimidating fangs, ready to strike multiple times. Fortunately, thanks to intensive research, a successful antivenom was developed in 1981, drastically reducing the number of fatalities caused by this rapid killer. Moving from the land to the sea, we encounter the cone snail. Adorned with a gorgeously patterned shell, this mollusk is anything but harmless. It hunts using a specialized harpoon-like tooth, injecting a cocktail of highly lethal toxins. What makes the cone snail particularly insidious is the nature of its venom. It contains natural pain-killing properties. Victims often feel little to no immediate pain from the sting, delaying their realization of the severity until the symptoms of paralysis and respiratory failure become critically advanced. Our next entry showcases chemical warfare in miniature. The Bombardier Beetle defends itself with an astonishing biological mechanism. When threatened, it mixes two separate chemical compounds, hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxidine, a specialized chamber in its abdomen. This reaction generates an explosive, pressurized spray of boiling hot, corrosive acid. This powerful sizzling blast is sufficient to deter nearly any predator, including toads, who often involuntarily vomit up the beetle moments after consumption. Finally, we examine a creature controlled not by venom, but by manipulation. The victim of the Massospora fungus. This organism specifically targets cicadas, infecting them and taking complete control of their behavior. The fungus essentially turns the host into a zombie, compelling it to move and interact normally, even as the fungus digests its internal organs and replaces its abdomen with a mass of infectious spores. The zombified cicada continues its life mission, now solely driven to spread the lethal fungal spores to other unsuspecting members of its species. The natural world is full of intricate defenses, and as we've seen, the smallest creatures often harbor the most advanced and alarming weapons, from neurotoxins and anticoagulants to biological chemical factories and actual mind control. These 8 creatures remind us that respect and vigilance are paramount when interacting with the natural world. Never underestimate the tiny terrors lurking beneath the surface, on the ground, or in the air.